If your TV is running slow, apps are taking forever to open, or your TCL Google TV feels laggy when navigating menus, here's how to speed it up. First, restart your TV. Many people leave their TV running in standby mode for weeks at a time. A full restart can clear temporary processes and improve performance immediately. Next, check your available storage. If your TV is nearly full, it can start slowing down. Go to settings, storage, and remove apps you no longer use. You should also clear the cache of apps you use frequently. Apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Disney Plus can accumulate cache data over time, which may affect performance. Another common fix is updating the TV software. TCL regularly releases updates that improve stability and performance. Go to settings, system, about, and then check for updates there. If your home screen feels sluggish, try disabling apps you don't use. Some apps continue running in the background and consume system resources even when you're not actively using them. And if your TV is still slow after everything, consider performing a factory reset. It takes a little time to set everything up again, but it often restores the TV to like new performance. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.